What is up everybody and welcome back to the Maths Guide. Today we are looking at how to solve missing angles inside quadrilaterals, specifically irregular quadrilaterals. So let's waste no time, let's go. Okay, well we have a very simple thing we need to remember today. We need to remember that all angles inside a quadrilateral add up to 360 degrees. Knowing that is going to help us solve these missing angles for sure. So if we look at this first example, we can see that we are given 1, 2, 3 of our angles, but we have this X marking a missing angle. So using what we know that all angles inside a quadrilateral must equal 360, I know that if I add all these together, so if I add 90 plus 85 plus 70 plus my missing X, I have to equal 360. So how can I get this X on its own? Well, I can solve this part of my equation and add these variables together. 90 plus 85 plus 70 leaves me with 245. So 245 plus X has to equal 360. Let's get X on its own by bringing the 245 to the other side of my equation, which would turn it into a subtraction, leaving me with X equals 360 subtract 245, and 360 subtract 245 is 115. So X would actually have the value of 115 degrees. And I can check that by just simply adding all these up together, and I should end up with 360, which I do. Tick. Let's look at the second example. 68, 95, and 59 are the angles we're given. I have this missing value X. Let's do the same thing again, and I'm going to add up the variables that I have. So 68 plus 95 plus 59 is 222. So 222 plus X should equal 360. But to get X on its own, I can do 360, subtract my 222, should equal X. And 360 subtract 222 is 138. So 138 equals X. So my X in this angle is 138 degrees. Simple. So now it's your turn. Have a go at solving the X value of these two missing angles. Use what we've just learnt about understanding that all the angles inside a quadrilateral has to equal 360 degrees. Press pause on the video now. Good luck. And there you go. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If it was, head over to themathshelter.com where you're going to find loads more videos for everything you need to know about your age group maths. But for now guys, I'm going to see you in another video. Peace out.